Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I'm here with the very amazing script of a copy trading website. So viewers, if you also want to create your own copy trading website, then you can contact us and we will build that site for you. WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description of this video. You can contact us and buy this script or complete website from us at a very reasonable price. And in this video I'm gonna give you the complete overview and I'm gonna completely create this website from scratch. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and before watching I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So now we'll move forward with our video. So first of all, you can look at its domain demo1.fly999.com. So it is hosted on my subdomain and I'm giving you demo on my own domain. So first of all, you have to click here. So currently, we currently don't have an account. So we will click on create account and we will create our account. So this is how you can create account. So first of all, I'll enter my number. So after entering your phone number, here you have to enter your password. And here you can enter your password. Click enter your confirm password. After that, you have to enter your invite code. If you have invite code or referral code, you can enter that so the other person can earn money through referrals. Otherwise, if you don't have invite code, you can click on sign up. That's an optional thing. And here you can see that our account has created successfully and is a very amazing animated look. Click on continue, and we are now on our user dashboard. So it has a very amazing look. These banners, etc., everything is changeable. You can completely control this website from admin panel and you don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. Viewers, to purchase this website, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video. You can contact us and buy this website from us at a very reasonable price. And if you need any other type of website like trading website, investment website, or any other kind of casino website, so we can build that for you as well. You can visit our channel and watch videos. If you like any video or if you like any design, you can just contact us and you can buy that from us. So here these banners, etc., are changeable from admin panel. Here you can see deposit, withdraw, help, download, app button. So when I go to deposit, so here user can deposit money on the website, select bank. So currently it has only one deposit method. You can change deposit method from admin panel in a way you want. Click on recharge and you have to send screenshot, and then your deposit will be approved from admin panel. So let me go back to home. Same is the case for withdraw. So here first of all, it is asking you need to buy a plan first. So currently we don't have any balance, so we cannot withdraw, but when we have account balance, so we can withdraw that. Here is a help option. So in help, basically you can go to Telegram of the admin and take help from him or join his channels. Here you can download the app of website. You can download app from here. Here you can see your total investment, total income, total successful withdraw. Here is an option button of start copy trading and you can see your copy trading portfolio. So first of all, I'll go to start plan. So here you can see all your copy trading plans. So here you can see your deposit balance, trading profits. In plan 1, you can see 20 USDT per day, total amount, days, cycles, etc. These are all that copy trading plan. And if you want to invest in any copy trading plan, you can just click buy and you can invest in copy trading plan from here. So it's basically high Ponzi time scheme. So you can invest in the plan. Here is my team option. So here you can copy this link and send it to someone, your friends or family members. So when they will join, you will get commission on referrals. That commission you can set from admin panel. And here you can see all detail of team commission. You can see all your team, total investment, total rewards you get. Here you can see all your referral network in this section. So when I refer someone, so they will be appeared over here up to 3 levels over here in this section. So here is the referral section, and here you can also view the notifications, etc. if you get any notifications. Here's the settings option. So you can see your name, your total balance, recharge, withdrawal, check-in. You can take daily bonuses. Here you can see invest record, your withdraw record, your recharge record. On customer service, you can either insert Telegram or WhatsApp, so user can contact you. Here you can change your password and sign out option. So this was all about the user panel of this amazing copy trading website. And now I will show you the complete admin panel of this website, from where you can completely manage and control this website. So I'll just sign out from here. So in order to go to admin panel, here we'll have to copy the link, type /admin after link, and it will redirect me to the admin panel. So first of all, in order to log into the admin panel, here you have to enter your username. So I'll enter my username first. Here I'll enter my password. So when I click on login, it will log me into the admin panel of this website. So here I have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. It is a very amazing website and completely controllable from admin panel. Here you can see total users, active users, email unverified users. Here you can see total deposits, and you can see everything right here on this. And viewers, if you want to see notifications, you can see notifications right here. So you can see all deposit notifications, user registration notifications in this section. So let me show you other things, like if you want to make the trading plans on the website. So here you have to go to manage plans. Here you have to go to plan manage, and you can see the existing plans on the website. Now if you want, you can just disable them or edit them from here. You can manage it from laptop or mobile phone. It's very easier to manage and completely compatible with mobile phones and as well as laptops. Here you can click on add new, and you can insert plan from here. Simply just insert the name, range, minimum, maximum interests, and type, interest type in percentage, or you can keep it fixed as well, timestamp for hour, days, and you can easily make the plan from here. And it's very simple and easier to make plan. And viewers, first of all, now here you can click on manage referrals in order to manage or create multiple levels of referral. So here you can create multiple levels of referral on deposit, invest, and interest commission. You can see already make, but if you want to remake them, you can remake them as well. Here you can see all investment report. In users, you can view all the users that are on your website. So you can see all their details, you can view their deposits. Here you can click on details. You can go, you can add balance to their accounts, you can subtract balance from their account. Whatever you want to do, you can do it over here, and you can ban and unban users as well. Similarly, these are all the user related activities over here. Here are promotional tools, here payment gateways. There are two types of gateways, automatic and manual. So you can use any of them. So here, if you want to use manual gateways, you can see the existing gateways here. I've made them, but here you can disable them or enable them in a way you want. So here you can click on add new, and here you can make the payment gateway, and enter the name of gateway, currency, range, etc., and you can easily just use them or make them from here. It's very simple and easier to make a gateway. If you buy from us, I will completely help you with that, and you don't need to worry about it if you want to buy from us. And basically I'm a professional and have experience of web development from last 5 years. You can explore my YouTube channel, and I'll provide you complete support as well. Here in deposits, so when user requests a deposit, the request will come here and you can approve it or reject it. And you can see all approved deposits, successful, rejected deposit, initiated deposits, everything will be here in front of you. Here you can insert withdrawal methods. So these are all the withdrawal methods. If you want to insert new withdrawal method, you can insert them from here. And basically you can simply, same like deposit, you can insert withdrawal method. Here you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of users. In support ticket, you can communicate with the users who generated the support ticket. And in general settings, basically you can change the name of website, you can change the title of website, you can change the color of website, balance transfer, registration bonus. You can set them up from here. So it's very simple and easier to manage website. From system configuration, you can turn on off balance transfer, user registrations, promotional tools, withdrawals on holidays. You can turn that on off, KYC verifications, email verifications. You can basically turn on off different features of this website. Here you can change the logo of this website. So you can just change it in single click. Just click select logo, enter upload your own logo, and you can change the logo in just single click, so you don't need to worry about anything. Here you can see extensions of live talk, etc. You can insert them. You can change KYC settings, interest on holidays, and you can change the template as well. And in manage section, you can basically change the content of different pages like authentication, contact page, footer page. So the complete website is manageable from here. If you want to use by this website, or if you want any kind of details related to this website, or if you need any type of website, we can make that for you. And so you can contact us and we will build this amazing website for you at a very reasonable price. And here you can see it is showing new version is available 6.0. basically it's a customized website, so admin panel is customized, so website is completely updated. You don't need to worry about anything, and basically we will provide you complete support. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.